welcome to Instech. If you're new to this channel, I would like you to click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification bell so that whenever we drop any new video, you'll be notified. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the Scratch environment, as we are going to be looking at what each block stands for in Scratch. So sit tight and make sure you pay attention. I will advise, if you have a writing material, you can sit with it even as you watch this video. Now let's begin. So I've opened Scratch 3 right now. I have a previous video where I showed us how you can download Scratch in your download and install Scratch in your laptop. So this is Scratch right now. I've downloaded and installed it in my computer. So when you open Scratch, this is the interface you're going to see. All right, so I'm just going to take you through the blocks and every part of this. All right, so let's begin now. So we have this part called the script area. We have all this here with different colors. This is called the block palette or the block palette. All right, so we have all this here. They are called blocks, or you can call it codes. Yes, then we have here, which is called the stage. Here where the cat is called the stage. Okay, good. So over here we have code, over here we have costumes. So from here you can edit the costume, you can apply changes to the sprites. See that? You can apply changes to the sprites and the backdrop from here too. Yes, then we have sound. So from here you can change the sound, you can upload sounds, you can change sound, you can record sounds as well from this. So let's go back to code. All right, now from here, this is where you select the sprite you want to give instructions to. So while over here is where you get your sprite, or you chose your sprite from. So if I click here, you see we have so many sprites here in Scratch. So I'll just select any of them and they will appear here. So I can select the sprite I'm gonna give instruction to. Now if you want to know if you are actually giving instruction to the correct sprite, when you select it here, you see the sprite to show faintly on the script area. Alright, so if I click on this now, you see it's showing faintly on the script area, while over here is called the stage. Good. So this is from here you can either choose a backdrop, or you can even upload backdrops, or you can paint backdrops. Alright, so notice that when I clicked on stage, this here changed to backdrops. So from here I can now edit the stage. Anything I put on this will display. See that? Good. So this is called the stage or the backdrop. All right, so over here, file, we have the menu bar where you have file, edit, tutorials, and Scratch project. This should be the name of your file. If you want to rename your file, it should be the name of your file over here. Then we have file. You can choose a new file. You can open a file already in your computer. So if you want to open a project you have already in your computer, all you need to do is just to click on file, load from your computer, and then you select the folder where the project is. You can see different projects over here, so you just select the folder and then click on open. All right, then to save your file, you click on save to your computer and you save your file. Then if I click on tutorials here, you have different tutorials that you can begin with, especially if you are just a beginner, you've not worked with Scratch 3 before. You can start from here. So you just select the tutorials and you start from there. So I have a video that shows you how you can work with tutorials in Scratch. So I'll see you in our next video.
Thank you for watching this video. If you learned something today, I would like you to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification button so that you don't miss out on what is coming next. Keep learning, keep creating. This is Instech.